gentle seahorse, wild and free. Twirl. With fins so fine and eyes so bright, the seahorse swims in the soft moonlight. It clings to coral with its tail so tight. In the ocean's depths, a peaceful sight. Twirl, twirl, the seahorse sways in the ocean where it plays. Twirl, twirl, come and see the gentle seahorse, wild and free. Twirl. The fins so fine and eyes so bright, the seahorse swims in the soft moonlight. Ooh. It clings to coral with its tail so tight. In the ocean's depths, a peaceful sight. Twirl, twirl, the seahorse sways in the ocean where it plays. Twirl, twirl, come and see the gentle seahorse, wild and free. Wild and free.
Did you like our fun doodles? Subscribe and hit the bell for more exciting videos. Join our doodle adventure by subscribing to our channel.